people. Yes, international greeting time. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagomasima, здравствуйте, привет, bună, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, xin ciao, yabosio, tere, salam alaikum, sastrika, marhaban, merhaba. My name is Brunel. Welcome to my channel. You've seen the title. It is a new collection from Jouer, and I've got a whole heap of other stuff which you might be interested in. I stuck with the two of the lip kits only. However, there are two other lip kits as well. The ones that I purchased were le Nude, and also I purchased the Baie, which is Baie. Now they've also got le Perle, which is kind of like a pearl and got touches of pink to it, more kind of like light mauve, but I didn't think that would work for me. Certainly the lip pencil would not have worked for me, way too light. Now the lip kits themselves have 3 items in total. They've got a lip pencil, they've got a lipstick, a liquid lipstick, and they've got a gloss to go on top of it, all to complement each other. They also have le jet rose, sorry, jet set le rose. Get it right for now. Right, £20 is the actual cost of the Le Rose kit, Le Nude, and also Le Baie. Unfortunately, at the moment it's showing that the price for Le Perle is actually £23. I don't know whether they got that one wrong, because when I purchased mine yesterday, I paid £23 for each. So Beauty Bay, might be, you know, it might be a refund of £6 due back, huh? No, never mind. So that's what I've got. So without further ado, let's just show you the packaging. Now I have to say, jet set, very reminiscent of, you know, traveling. Look at that, looks like a suitcase. I won't say which label reminds me of, but you see that the packaging, it is actually really nice. It does feel very luxe, and what you simply do is push it through like so. And then you have got a section here, which as you can see, you've got a section, and as you can see, you got a section, and you can see you got a section. Crap at opening stuff. Right, so there you have it. In there you've got so this is the inside. It looks very luxurious. It is so nice, it's so pretty. I really like the look of it. So this is le Baie, so you've got that, and this one clearly would work for me because of the lip liner, and I do love these colors, so I cannot wait to try. And then you've also got, within the packaging itself, you've got le Nude, which of course you could imagine. You've got the case, and then you have got the actual lip kit inside as well. Now this one, I'm just going to keep it with this particular pencil for the time being, but I think it'll work better with a darker lip pencil, brown pencil. But for the purpose of actually trying it out, we are going to keep it like this. Look at that, very nice. Let's try it out. Okay, so that's with all 3 applied. Clearly, I will definitely need a brown liner. This liner is not doing it for me at all. and that's it, all done. So let's get rid of the negatives first. With regard to the actual lip kit itself, the actual lipstick and the actual lip topper, there is a matching there. They're 2 grams each, but you do get full size lip pencil. Also, I mean, the applicator, because it's so small, which obviously it has to be adequate for the size of the actual content itself, it does feel as if I'm kind of like using a little toy thing. I'm just not used to it, so that I find it annoying. So it makes me look as if I'm using a kiddie's makeup kit or something. So that's what I find really annoying. Now, with regards to the actual formula itself, it is fairly sheer, but as in it's not thick and gloopy, but as you can see, it is quite well pigmented. Probably needed a couple of swipes for me to get the full color that I wanted to make it really opaque. What I do like is that the lip gloss, or actually it's not even a lip gloss, it's actually a lip topper. It's got glitter in it. However, be mindful, once you wipe it off, you are going to find bits of glitter all on your face. So if you're not into that, again, you won't like it at all. But I do like the price point, which is 20 pounds. Yeah, 20 pounds now rather than 23. 20 pounds. And I do like the concept of having a full kit, lip kit. But the only problem is that I have to go for the darker shade, and for me, having the lip pencil is just too light for the lighter shade, so I won't bother buying any other shades at all because of that. However, the lip pencils themselves, which are full size, are an absolute find, an absolute beauty. I am actually going to go and purchase the lip pencil themselves. They are so pigmented, so smooth, so creamy. They are just an absolute joy to actually put on. They glide on nice and smooth, no fuss. I absolutely love the lip pencils, which is amazing in itself. But they're the ones which come in full size. And honestly, if you try these, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. They're so good. But apart from that, yeah, do I regret buying these? I actually like these shades. I need to actually get to a point where I do my full makeup with which is matching, and obviously the right kind of clothing. But I do like this shade, and it is really nice. Be mindful, however, you can get it on your teeth, so you have to make sure that you check your teeth first before you go anywhere. And also, formula wise, it doesn't dry quickly, so if you order all these ways around it, translucent powder on your lips will soon make it matte, but it doesn't dry matte at all, especially once you start using the lip topper. It doesn't. But it doesn't actually emphasize all the cracks in your lips either. It does feel really soft and creamy, and your lips feel moisturized. Hopefully that's enough information for you. Apart from that, it does say here with regards to it is long wear, paraben free, water resistant, dermatologically tested as well. So that's it. Links will be in the description bar. Thank you for watching as usual. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am a nosy cow. And I will speak to you all very soon. Bye.